Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee essential oil at home. First, select high-quality, fresh coffee beans and a suitable carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil. Grind your coffee beans to a coarse consistency, similar to French press grounds, to maximize surface area for extraction. Make sure all your tools are thoroughly clean and dry to prevent contamination and ensure a pure oil. Next, combine your coarsely ground coffee with the carrier oil in a clean glass jar. The ratio should be about 1 part coffee to 2 parts oil. Place the jar in a double boiler or a slow cooker on a low setting. Gently heat the mixture for at least 4 to 6 hours, stirring every hour or so to help release the aromatic compounds from the coffee into the oil. After the infusion period, carefully remove the jar from the heat. Allow the mixture to cool slightly before straining. Pour the oil through a fine mesh sieve to remove the larger coffee grounds. For an even clearer oil, strain it a second time through several layers of cheesecloth. Let the strained oil sit for a few hours to allow any remaining fine sediment to settle at the bottom. Finally, carefully decant your homemade coffee essential oil into a dark glass bottle. This helps protect it from light degradation and extends its shelf life. Store the bottle in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight or heat. Your coffee essential oil is now ready to be enjoyed in various ways, from invigorating aromatherapy to enriching your skincare routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.